Your website is one of your most important marketing tools. It's where you showcase your products or services, tell your brand story, and build relationships with your customers. So it's no surprise that having great website content is essential to success. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to what makes great website content, but there are some key elements that all great web content has in common. There are a few tips to help you write great website content that will engage and convert your visitors. Keep it readable. The average internet user has a very short attention span. It's so important to make your content easy to read and digest. Break up your text with short paragraphs, bullet points, and images to make it more skimmable. Likewise, an active voice and clear, concise language will help get your point across quickly and effectively. Tip number 2, write for your audience. Who are you writing for? It's important to keep your target audience in mind when creating your content. Write in a style and tone that appeals to them, and make sure you're addressing their needs and pain points. If you're not sure who your target audience is, take some time to define them before you start writing. Tip number 3, make it interesting. No one wants to read boring, dry content. To keep your readers engaged, make sure your content is interesting and engaging. Use stories, humor, and strong visuals to make your point. And don't be afraid to be a little controversial. A little healthy debate can be a great thing. Tip number 4, optimize for search engines. If you want your content to be found by potential customers, it's important to optimize it for search engines. Use relevant keywords throughout your text and make sure to include links to other pages on your website. And finally, tip number 5, promote your content. Once you've published your content, it is important to promote it to ensure that it reaches your target audience. Share it on social media, send out an email blast, or reach out to influencers in your industry and ask them to share it with their followers. By following these tips, you can write great website content that will engage and convert your visitors. So what are you waiting for? Get writing.